Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something a little different, something that's been a huge shift in my own investment journey. It's a philosophy I've come to embrace called VWCE Chill. And no, it's not a new streaming service. It's about finding peace of mind in a world of financial chaos. For years, I was deep in the trenches of stock picking. I spent countless hours glued to my screen, analyzing charts, reading quarterly reports, and trying to predict the next big thing. I'd be checking my portfolio first thing in the morning and last thing at night. I celebrated the green days like I'd won the lottery and felt the red days like a personal failure. It was a roller coaster of emotions, exhilarating at times, but honestly, mostly just exhausting. I was chasing alpha, that elusive extra return, but what I was really accumulating was stress. One day, after a particularly volatile week where a single company's bad news tanked a chunk of my portfolio, I had a moment of clarity. I asked myself, is this really worth it? Is the potential for slightly higher returns worth the constant anxiety, the lost sleep, and the time I could be spending on, well, literally anything else? The answer was a clear and resounding no. That's when I started looking for a different way, a simpler, more sustainable path. This led me to the world of passive investing, and specifically to an ETF called VWCE. Now, for those who aren't familiar, VWCE is an acronym for the Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF. That's a mouthful, I know. But what it represents is beautifully simple. It's a single investment that gives you a tiny piece of thousands of companies all over the world. We're talking about big tech giants in the US, established industrial firms in Germany, emerging tech companies in Taiwan, and miners in Australia. It's the ultimate diversification, so why is this so powerful? First, let's talk about the risks of stock picking that I was so tired of. When you pick individual stocks, you're making a bet. You're betting that you know something the rest of the market doesn't. You're betting that a specific company, with its specific management and specific products, will outperform thousands of others. This is incredibly difficult. Even professional fund managers, people who do this for a living with teams of analysts, struggle to consistently beat the market average over the long term. For us retail investors, the odds are even tougher. You expose yourself to what's called unsystematic risk or company-specific risk. A company can face a scandal, a new competitor can emerge, a key product can fail. Any of these things can decimate its stock price. And if you're heavily invested, it can decimate your portfolio. I learned this the hard way. With VWCE, you virtually eliminate that risk. If one company in the index goes bankrupt, it's just a tiny fraction of your total investment. Its impact is barely a ripple in the ocean. The ETF automatically adjusts, and the global market moves on. The second major benefit is global diversification. We often have a home bias, meaning we tend to invest in companies in our own country because they're familiar. But this is a huge missed opportunity. Economic growth happens all over the world. By investing globally with VWCE, you're not just betting on the US economy or the European economy. You're betting on the long-term growth of the entire global economy. Some years the US might lead, other years it might be emerging markets. By owning a piece of everything, you capture that growth wherever it happens. You're not trying to guess which country will do best next year. You're simply participating in the collective progress of human ingenuity and commerce. This brings me to the chill part of the philosophy. This is the real game changer. Once you adopt this strategy, your role as an investor becomes incredibly simple. You set up a regular investment plan, maybe once a month, and you buy more VWCE. That's it. You don't need to check the news every 5 minutes. You don't need to worry about a CEO's tweet. You don't need to spend your weekends reading financial statements. You let the market do its thing. This frees up an incredible amount of mental energy and time. Suddenly, you have more time for your hobbies, for your family, for your career, for simply living your life. Investing transforms from a stressful, active pursuit into a boring, passive background process. And in investing, boring is good. Boring is predictable. Boring lets you sleep at night. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. You are essentially harnessing the power of capitalism on a global scale and letting compounding do the heavy lifting for you over decades. Now I want to be clear. This is not financial advice, and VWCE might not be the right choice for everyone. Your own financial situation, risk tolerance, and goals are unique. Some people genuinely love the challenge of stock picking, and that's perfectly fine. But for me, and I suspect for many of you watching, the goal of investing isn't to be the next Warren Buffett. It's to build wealth steadily and securely to achieve financial freedom. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. The VWCE and Chill philosophy is about acknowledging that we probably can't beat the market, and that's okay. It is about choosing a strategy that is statistically proven to work for the vast majority of people over the long term. It's about trading the potential for outlier gains for the near certainty of solid, market average returns and gaining an immense amount of peace and free time in the process. My journey from being an active stock picker to a passive index fund investor has been liberating. I no longer feel the need to have an opinion on every stock or every market movement. I'm just a quiet long-term owner of the world's greatest companies. I invest my money consistently and then I get back to living my life. That's the real return on investment. So if you find yourself stressed out by the market's daily gyrations, if you're tired of the endless research and the emotional roller coaster, maybe it's time to consider a simpler path. Maybe it's time for a little VWCE and chill. Thanks so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments what your investment strategy is. Are you a stock picker, an indexer, or something in between? I'd love to hear about it. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.